Hi, my name is Flynn and I'm 13 years old. And I just took the Cambridge first exam.
Hi, my name is Arietta, I'm 22 years old and I took the Cambridge C1 Advanced exam.
Hello, my name is Richard and I'm 20 years old and I took the course of Lingual Skill Business. I want to do a bachelor's program in international management for which you need an English certificate.
I signed up for Swiss Exams Academy because my mom discovered it online and I just thought it looked super cool.
I had this big exam coming up and my school didn't offer any preparation course. And also a bunch of my friends told me they did really well on their tests after taking this course.
Some friends of mine had already taken this course and had recommended it to me, so I decided to give it a shot.
We did lots of practice tests and they gave us special tips for each part of the exam.
In my opinion, the course was very practical and straightforward. It taught me the right amount of tactics to help me pass the exam, and also there was a lot of practice material, which I definitely benefited from.
It's like they knew exactly what I needed to work on and what could beat advice from a Cambridge expert.
In comparison to other preparation courses that I have seen, this one is really good. The instructors really know what they're talking about, and they know the exams well too, which puts them in a position to help you in specific areas where you're lacking.
The feedback I received from the online course was incredibly helpful. It played a crucial role in my learning process. And also the regular input from the instructors helped me understand the areas where I was excelling and where I needed to put in more work or more effort.
I would say that I had a good English level before I took the course, but the course did help me solidify my English knowledge. And I would say that I am at the C1 and maybe close to C2 level currently.
Yes, I tell all my friends to try it if they need to prepare for an English exam.